There's absolutely zero delay. I can just go whenever I want. I like it. I love it.
The pedal commander worth it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I love it. I have no intention of taking it off ever. And I don't think I'm ever going to drive it in the 0 mode again. So we're leaving it on the 4+ mode always.
I recommend you get one if you like to full send it,
What is up, everyone? Welcome to the episode with Pedal Commander. I am joined by my brother from another mother, Chris Harikian.
What's going on, guys? Chris here.
Supercar Suspects, where he went ahead and trashed my M4. And so today, we're gonna go on ahead and install Pedal Commander and this 2011 Audi R8 V10. You've had this car for how long?
Not even 2 weeks.
So when you drove it in my car, did you like it?
I liked it. I liked it, and we want to test it out on the R8, so that's what we're gonna do today.
Let's get it.
Oh my god, it's so much more sensitive. Oh my god. It takes a little bit of getting used to. It's super sensitive on the throttle when you're at a standstill, but once you're driving, it feels completely normal. I like it on the highest sensitivity because I want the absolute fastest throttle response, especially if you're racing, doing anything like that. You want to just be able to press on the gas and go, so you don't want any delay there, definitely. Oh yeah. There's absolutely zero delay. I can just go whenever I want. I like it. I love it.
Oh, I think it locked up a tad bit.
It might have locked up a little bit over here. I'm sorry. I almost took out 3 people over here.
I say we do it one more time, but everybody do get their distance.
Yeah, get your distance and then we'll try this again.
Let's get it, let's get it.
You want to hop out of it?
First thoughts. With the Pedal Commander, we were on Sport Plus, +4.
Look, we got so much throttle response, it convinced me I need to do some donuts over here, so that's exactly what we did.
Question is, what happened the first try?
Yeah, I almost wiped out a few of the members here, unfortunately.
But we did make it up on the second try, bro.
Absolutely.
So honestly, is the Pedal Commander worth it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I love it. I have no intention of taking it off ever. And I don't think I'm ever going to drive it in the 0 mode again. So we're leaving it on the 4+ mode always.
So with that being said, everyone at home, you saw how Chris got loose. You guys do the same thing in your R8 or any car in general. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you, Chris.
Anytime, guys.
Rest in peace, your tires. Hey, Chris, this is boring as shit, fucking standing around you. There's some donuts around your car. Just stand over there, just don't get in my way.